Hey everybody, today's a tutorial on how to record a song on record a song on Ableton Live 10 Suite without even paying for it. It's for free. So first thing you do is download it and install it, and that's pretty straightforward. So I'm not even going to show you how to do that. And then you just make a song. There you go. Made a song. Pretty simple stuff. Let me just fix this part. Oh, I don't want this weird part. Okay. So you make a song. Then you get Audacity, and you go Windows WASAPI, and then you go whatever you're playing it through, probably your headphones, or maybe it's your speakers. So you do speakers. Find the one you're doing. You press record, and then when you want to record it, you press here, and you just press play, and you don't talk. So when I don't talk, it'll play right here. Alright, so once the song's over, you got it saved, so you just have it saved, you turn it off, and there the whole song is right there, and then you just save it. And now you can export it. Well, you gotta wait until it stops. Why is it still going? Jesus Christ. What the fuck am I gonna do with this? Alright. Oh shit. That scared me. Alright, so you have this, and then you press export, and you do, if you have whatever you wanted to export as, you do it as that. I do flac because I'm OG. And I'm gonna name this song video. No. I'm gonna name it In the Boss House. And so you save it. Put your artist name in there. There you go. That's That's really all there is to it, guys. It's not that hard. You'll figure it out. Oh my god. Look at that. I got it in the red. So, alright. That was just for fun. It was just for fun.